I'm Betty and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share a reading strategy that is useful for reading comprehension. It is called Question-Answer Relationship or QAR strategy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So what is QAR strategy? Strategy to help students understand the different type of questions, and it teaches them to identify the types of questions they are being asked and where to find the answers to them. We use QAR strategy to help students improve reading comprehension and get them to ask questions about their reading and where to find the answers to them, and teaches them to think about the text they are reading and beyond it. There are 4 types of questions in QAR. The first one is right there. The second one, think and search. Next one, author and me. And the last one, on my own. Let's explore these 4 types together. The first type is right there, and the answers can be found directly in the text. You can just point to the sentence with the answers in it. It is located at just one place. So you look for words which are used in the question. We call them keywords. Sample question stems are who, what, where, when, how many. The second type is think and search. The questions can be answered using information from within the text, but it is not clearly located in one spot. It means the answers are in the text, but readers need to think and search several sections of the text first to find pieces of information and then piece them together to come up with an answer. The words may be different from the one used in the question. Sample question stems are why, what caused, what happened first, second, third. The third one is author and me. This is where students have to make inferences. Answers to this kind of questions are not found in the text. Readers will make inferences to help answer the question. They have to use their background knowledge and clues from the text. So background knowledge refers to what you already know, plus the text clues, what the author tells you. Then you will come up with your inference or your answer for that question. The answers will be more varied as readers are using their own experiences to build their ideas. So sample questions. Why do you think? What did they mean by? What did the character learn about? Give the reason why. The fourth type is called on my own. The answer is not found in the text. It requires readers to use their background or prior knowledge, own ideas and experiences to answer the question. Answers can be varied, more than one answer. So sample questions. How would you feel if? What would you do if? Give the reasons why, or in your opinion. So those are the 4 types of questions in QAR. Now you might have the question on how you teach this kind of strategy to your students. You can start with identifying if the question is found in one place in the text or if the student has to search a variety of locations to identify the answer. Guide your students to identify how to determine if the answer is in the book or if they need to draw on their own experiences and opinions to answer the questions. Teach them keywords to identify the answers, thus increasing students' understanding of how questions are written and where the answer can be located. And finally, for the QAR strategy to be effective and become a part of students' comprehension strategies, teachers must provide immediate feedback on identifying the type of question being asked, how to find information, and how to answer the question. That's the end of the introduction video on QAR strategy. To see how this is done in the class, please wait for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share.